Good morning guys, welcome back to my video. As you can see, it's our day 2 here in Copenhagen and currently I am here at the hotel. We have woken up. We did have a bit of a late wake up because obviously we went swimming and then we ordered pizza and everything and then we went to sleep quite late. And so now you can see by the looks of it that I am back here right at breakfast. I cannot wait to have breakfast because all the reviews seemed really good, so I cannot wait to try them. Now, what are we waiting for? Let's go see. So here you can see on my plate I have got quite a bit of a variety for breakfast, and I mean this view looked quite nice. There was the river there and these lightings made it even more better. I was so happy that we did get a seat right here. It was buffet like you can see currently. My mum taking a video of me, so I have got the pancakes right here and that huge Nutella jar right there. I mean it was a huge pump. Now you'll see me, there you go. I mean, fully pumping it. I was asking my mum, how much do you want? I mean, it was amazing and I cannot believe how much there is in that pump. And right beside it, there are also syrups as well, if you would like. But the breakfast varieties, like those pancakes, look amazing with chocolate and sugar? No. But this was the whole buffet section. You've got a huge variety of different cheeses, salads, quite a bit of healthy stuff as well. You've got the juice bar there. It was a good variety. Okay, so now you guys, you can see we are outside of our room at the hotel and we are quite exploring around. We just had breakfast, it was really good. All the views were quite good about, there's many varieties, many different things. I think the best thing was the pancakes. I mean, it's not normally how everywhere else, wherever we've gone, pancakes are not normally like that. They were so fluffy, so nice, and the Nutella jar as well. Anyway, so now you can see that is the lobby right downstairs there, and the breakfast is on the... So the breakfast is on the 2nd floor and obviously our room was on the 6th floor. However, look at this, you can see right down below, lobby there, and then the 2nd floor is all the conference, as this hotel is a hotel and congress center, so there are many conference halls, many events that take place. So we have finished our breakfast. Now we're going to be going up to our room, do a little bit more packing because obviously we fell asleep, and then we'll be leaving, checking out, and then going towards Copenhagen Central Station. Right guys, so you can see currently that I am here at the lobby, and obviously this is continuing off of the hotel tour and it looks absolutely amazing. I mean, you did just see we just had breakfast. We have gotten changed. I am wearing my hoodie more because obviously we do have to walk and it is freezing cold here. And so now this is the lobby. As soon as you enter, it looks absolutely amazing. Once you enter, you've got this really big statue right here, 3 floors up, which I already showed you from above, right below. And it isn't just a hotel, it's a congress center, so there is also events and conference halls and many of that happening. I mean, yesterday we obviously ordered food, and so I came here downstairs to collect it, and there was something going on here. It seemed quite nice, and also this hotel seemed really packed at breakfast as well. There were quite a lot of people, and yeah, it is a very nice hotel. I mean, I did show you the room. It was absolutely amazing, and I think the reviews do live up to what it is. has two towers. This hotel has two towers, and basically there's one called the City Tower and the Harbour Tower. City Tower is located on the opposite side where you check in. Reception is only at this side. You check in and then you go opposite side where it is towards the city side obviously, and whereas Harbour Tower, which you can see is this side where we were staying, it was in the Harbour Tower. And so it was absolutely amazing, and this is the place, this is the conference, well, the party or whatever event that was happening on was here. There was nice music and everything, and there are many different offices and conference halls upstairs as well. So this is the bit where there is extra seating right here. There's also a bar and a little mini cafe as well that you can get a bit of few crisps or snacks or whatever you want, and a huge sign that says Tivoli, and a bit of nice seating with the TV right there to look at some news. Okay, so now as soon as you get up from the elevators, which are right on this side, there are 3, and there's also a button to go from the 9th to 12th floor. And so right here you've got an amazing map right here. So Tivoli obviously over here, you've got this Tivoli Gardens. It looks absolutely amazing, however it is not open. It's only open for a few seasons, like in the summer. But that besides, if you come over here, you have got this amazing bar and slash cafe area if you want something to eat or anything. Set up here, there's really nice seating as well, and this is right on the floor where the lobbies are and right in front of the elevators as well.